Are you ready to discover a game-changing way to make your money online in 2024? Get ready, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $1,500 or more every day using ChatGPT. Let's explore the fascinating world of online selling and take a closer look at one impressive Etsy shop. This particular shop catch our attention because it sold over 40,000 items. Now let's talk numbers. The planners they sell every which one costs $10, which is very interesting. If we do a little math and multiply $10 by 40,000 and we find that they sell a total of $400,000. Yes, you heard that right, digital programming method. Now I'm going to show you how you can create your Etsy shop like this and sell digital programming without having to build it yourself. We will use ChatGPT to help us make products and earn serious income. Let's experience the Etsy concept. Imagine is a bustling online marketplace, like a virtual radio where creative people with business thinking and skilled artisans from all corners of the world come together to showcase and sell their craft, vintage items and special finds. Etsy isn't just a place to buy things. It's a vibrant community where people connect with creators, small business, and discover unique items that you won't find them anywhere else. As for ChatGPT, think of it as super intelligence computer brain created by a company called AI. It's really good at understanding human language and can even write like a person. Interesting about ChatGPT is that it can do all kinds of things, from helping you come up with ideas to answering questions or even writing texts to make it different. You can try it yourself by visiting ChatGPT, and signing up for a free account is like having a super helpful robot friends. Now let's talk about habit teachers. These are like digital notebooks that help you keep track of things you want to regularly, like exercise, to save money on Etsy, to spend according to their need. Finally, let's get into how to set up your store. It's amazingly easy. Just go to it and click start. You don't need to be a tech expert. All you need is a Gmail account. After taking the first step, you'll be promoted for a name selected for your store where your ticket is in a store. With the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Into the fascinating process of using ChatGPT to create a highly popular tool. To get started, simply navigate to OpenAI, where you'll find the impressive feature of ChatGPT. The exceptional AI software has a remarkable ability to create habit trackers. It's effortless. You can ask it a wide variety of questions and it generates answers that are very insightful and helpful. Direct interactions is done through text-based communication. Do you want to create a list of habits that can improve people's lives? You simply type your request in the chat, search as a list of 5 habits that people should do to improve themselves. List 5 habits that individuals should track to improve themselves. ChatGPT will improve you with a list of habits and explain why it is important to track each one. It may just methods such as narration, engaging in regular exercise, developing reading habits that include encryption, gratitude, journals into your daily routine and sleep habits. It is suitable. This insight will serve as a valuable guide for people typing to improve their lives by narration these fundamental aspects. The spreadsheet is regularly organized, which becomes a useful tool to effectively monitor your daily habits and create the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. A flexible system for moderation the habit. For example, you can specify the day when you have successfully performed a certain habit. This compatibility not only improves user experience but also simplifies the habit tracking process. Your preference is all about asking the right questions and getting valuable answers in this ChatGPT scenario. It not only produces content but also helps design particular tools that can significantly help in personal growth and development. Moreover, once you have set up your habit tracker, you can explore additional features to improve its performance, etc. You may ask ChatGPT to add a note to the track, which allows you to check any observation or reflections related to your habits. This makes the tracker more personal and provides space for self-reflection and improvement. You're on your way to tracking etiquette in the realm of Etsy. Canva is a handy canvas graphic design platform with a collection of templates, all available for free, and make it accessible to users of all skill levels. Quick search for a habit. The tracker introduces a collection of convenient templates to customize according to your preferences. The simplicity of the minimalist design is more effective for habit trackers. It's time to interrogate the habit already created with ChatGPT. For example, if your first habit is expression gratitude, draw it in the appropriate column from free. You can add other habits and set the tracker so that then from finalizing your creation to match your personal style. Track and list it for sale in Etsy shop offer a dynamic platform for creative entrepreneurs that provides a stage to showcase and market your unique offering. What sets Etsy apart is its established audience base, which simplifies the process of connection with potential customers. Your product is live, set the price. An opportunity to appear among the top results that boost your sales potential. This street method provides a practical way to turn creative content create with ChatGPT into a tangible monetized product on Etsy. It embodies the fusion of AI capabilities, graphic design tools, and e-commerce platforms that showcase innovative possibilities for monetization in the digital landscape.